What are you making?
DNA model. Now we do the other side, but this time you have to do it in reverse because it has to match a specific side. So basically now you flip it around. A goes with T and then G goes with C, okay? And then remember, G is orange, C is yellow, T is pink, and A is green. But when I figured it out, I thought it was really cool because I didn't know when the book was describing it that DNA was like really coiled and it can like bend. And it's really, really awesome because if I can get it to work, it can like bend all the way like this, and that's coiled. It's really, really cool. So it can stretch out like this and then bend, and it's made of Twizzlers and toothpicks and marshmallows. It's really awesome.